Hey, everybody hates dealing with attorneys, right? Nobody likes us. We take up too much time, we charge too much money, and you can just do it yourself. So why bother getting a lawyer? I'm Shane with Chase Law. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons not to hire a personal injury attorney after your car accident. 1, you hate money and want to receive 1/4 to 1/3 the value of your case. The insurance company's own study says if you hire a lawyer, people with lawyers get 1/3 or 3 times as much money as people without lawyers, okay? So that's right out the gate. That's their own study. They've done it a couple times. Every time it comes back against them, okay? And it says people who hire lawyers get more money. Number 2, you want your case over before you're better. I'm a firm believer. Let's get you better first, then let's try to settle with the insurance company. Why? Because until you're better, we don't know the size of that case. It's too easy 60 days in to think you're all better, and then something happens, you just never get better, okay? So, you want your case done quick and easy? Fine, don't hire us. We're going to want to get you to the doctor, get you better, get you back to where you were before the accident, and then we're going to try to sell that case with the insurance company. Number 3, you want to return to work in pain. I see it all the time. People can't afford to be out of work, so they start going to work, and then they think if they're working, they can't go to the doctor, so they quit going to the doctor, and now they're in pain and they hurt at the office, okay? And then they can't even get compensated for all the missed time they had from work because they fight with the insurance company themselves. We're going to help you. We're going to talk to you. If you're having issues with work and doctor's appointments, we're going to talk to you about that. We're also going to get all the documentation to show how much time you missed from work or if there was an impact to your work for you, okay? Number 4, if you want to owe on your medical bills. When insurance companies settle cases early, one of the common techniques they do is they say, hey, we're going to pay for accident-related care up to X day. That's cool. But what if you have to treat after that day? What happens then? Are they going to cover it? Are they not? Are they going to say some of that treatment is unrelated to the accident and not pay for it? You don't know any of these things when you settle this open-ended term, okay? I can tell you they definitely fight with you on a bunch of stuff. We like to get all your medical stuff together, submit it to the insurance company. That's when we know what everybody is looking at and what we're trying to achieve, okay? And last but not least is, if you think you can learn everything from just a book or a video, I can tell you my team has settled more than $100 million in cases over the last 3 years alone. We study this, we learn from it, we discuss amongst ourselves. We've got a ton of expertise. You can see what our clients are saying if you go to our results page and our testimonials. This is all we do every day. Just the same as whatever your job is, that's what you do every day, and you can do a great job. I mean, it's no differently than if I looked at my mechanic and said, hey, I don't want to pay you to do this. I can just watch a YouTube video and replace it. And he laughs and says, you can't fix a carburetor just by watching a YouTube video. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, but I certainly won't do as good a job as that car mechanic, okay? My team has expertise in this area. This is what they spend all day doing. They're going to do their best to help every one of our clients out, okay? I've gone through the top 5 reasons not to hire a lawyer. I've discussed each one of these. If you can get a better settlement than my team can working on a case, then I'd love for you to work for me. Just go to my job page on my website, okay? These are the top 5 reasons why not to hire a personal injury lawyer. Although a personal injury case can take time, it's worth it in the end. You're going to get better, you're going to get more money, and you're not going to be bullied by the insurance company. And remember, everybody, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999. We'd be glad to see if we can help.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.